and all, myself Anuya Anjali Shatishkar Sarkar from class 9th. Today I am here to tell a story. The name of story is Time Will Never Come Back. There was one boy, his name is Henry. Henry नामक एक मुलगा होता. तर Henry was the only brother. Henry हा एकुलता एक भाऊ होता. He is learning in 5th standard. Henry हा 5व्या वर्गात शिकत होता. He was very lazy and slept all the day. तो अख्खा दिवस झोपत होता आणि खूप आळशी होता. He was very irresponsible and he had no interest in study. तो खूप गैरजिम्मेदार होता आणि त्याला अभ्यासात आवड नव्हती. His mother taught him that it is not good thing to waste a time. त्याची आई त्याला सांगत होती की टाइम वेस्ट करणे ही चांगली गोष्ट नाही आहे. The year passed and exam came. वर्ष गेला आणि परीक्षा आली. He could not write anything in exam. त्याने परीक्षेत काहीही लिहिलं नाही. When the result came, he was failed. जेव्हा निकाल आला तो नापास झालेला होता. चुकीवर लाज वाटत होती त्याला. He crying loudly. तो त्याच्या चुकीवर जोरात रडत होता. It teach us that lost time never come back, so we use our time well. Last step of any program is Thanksgiving. Thanks to our school principal P. N. Deshmukh sir, supervisor K. K. Rane sir, and special thanks to my subject teacher Mr. R. J. Shinde sir, who guided me and motivated me for this activity. Last but not least, I want to say something. A quitter never be wins and a winner never be quits. Thank you. Have a nice day.